Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I got this cute hairstyle. Curly braid, little hair left out. So if you guys want to see how I got this hairstyle, then please keep watching. Okay, so the look that I'm going for has a couple pieces out in the front, a couple pieces on the sides, just to show my curls, you know. So first I'm going to take out the pieces that I want to take out, kind of figure out how I want to do this. I think that looks good. Okay, so now that you have like a rough, kind of like a rough draft of what you're going for, I'm gonna tighten up this ponytail, clean up the edges, and just make it look nice and sleek. Then I will be back to show you the next step. So I'm gonna use this Shedavi Wash and Go Styler. I really like this. It's like a jelly type of product. It's very jelly. And so I'm going to put this on the sides to help smooth my hair down. I'm just going to do this on both sides. And I really like this style because it's nice and simple. It doesn't require too much, and I feel like the extra little pieces out just add a lot of interest to the style. Okay. Now I'm going to start brushing it up and slicking it. So again, with a little more of that jelly styler. And don't forget the back. Don't forget your kitchen, girl. Because I be forgetting mine, to be honest. Because in the back of my head, I don't be remembering. So now that we got this, so I'm gonna put it in a ponytail. Y'all saw that catch? I'm gonna put it in a ponytail. And I want the ponytail to be like on the top of my head so that the braid falls down and it looks really cute. So I got that going. Now I'm gonna slick this a little more, put some bobby pins and really just have it out my back. Nice and slicked and slayed, okay? So using my favorite gel, Gotta Be. Just gonna slick it a little more. Use my big brush. Now the other side. And this is also a good style because you don't really have to do your edges because they're not really seen. But you always can if you want to. It's just personal preference, to be honest. Cute. Now let's move on to the part that I've never done before. So the hair that I'm using, I'm going to be using Crochet Hair. If you're familiar with Crochet Hair, you crochet it into usually straight backs or some type of braiding pattern. But today I'm going to be using it so that my braid looks curly instead of just having like a Kaneka-line braid, because I feel like that's not really going to go with my curly vibe. So this is the hair that I'm using. The brand is Twisted Up Passion Bohemian Curl 24 inches. So I wanted to do something long so that the braid would be like long looking, and then I secured it with a hair tie, as you can see. And then I also have another pack of the same type of hair but a different brand. This one is Lulu Tress, and this one's 18 inches. I had an extra pack just in my stash of beauty supply hair that I haven't used yet. And I was thinking that once I try to start blending it into my hair, when my real hair ends, I feel like it's gonna be like thick and then it's gonna get skinny. So then I'm gonna kind of use the knotless method to add a little bit more hair so then it's like all the way down, if you know what I mean. Let me put some product in my hair so it's not like super dry. Again, going in with this jelly styler. And I'm just kind of putting it in just anywhere, just so it's like smoother, and hopefully it'll blend and look good. Cute. Now using the ponytail holder that you attached to the hair, you want to wrap it around your ponytail. This is weird. It feels weird because I have another piece of hair like coming off of it. All right, should I do it to the front? So this is what I'm working with. While I'm here, I'm gonna take this hair out so that when I need it, it's ready to go. Oh, it has a little snap. Wow. I was really about to use my scissors. Love that. Okay. So it slides right out, has a net over it. Take it out the net. And boom. So I'm gonna split it into maybe 3 sections. Maybe I should do just 2. Then I'm going to take 3 little strands off so that I can wrap it around this ponytail holder at the end so it looks nice and sleek. So I'm just gonna pin that here while I do this. And yeah, you're just gonna start braiding. Hopefully this works pretty well. Split it into 3 sections. Oh shoot. Come on, Dominique. It's like you would think I've never done a braid before. It's so weird. Let's split this. Actually, I feel like I should put a little more hair over there. Oh! Y'all. This is not as easy as I thought it was gonna be. It's just kind of hard keeping all the hair separate, especially my real hair because it's starting to curl on itself. Okay, this braid's looking like, okay, it's looking like something. Okay, now that I'm nearing the end, I gotta figure out how to put in some more. All right, it's a big twisted mess. Okay, so I got it in and now it's braiding pretty easy. Does that look okay, guys? Like, does that look cute? Okay, so I think I'm gonna leave it like the end so it's like a little curly, cute. Let me get a little rubber band to secure. All right, so I think it's really cute. So now that I got my braid done, I kind of want to define this hair a little bit. I don't know if that's possible because it's synthetic, but look at it. Looks a little stringy to me. So I'm gonna cut it, put a little product on it and see if I can't like zhuzh it up. So let me try to cut all the straight pieces. So whenever I'm dealing with like fake hair, I try to put a product that I don't really like on it because I won't be upset that I'm like wasting a product. I recently tried this Jane Carter Curls to Go Coiling All Curls. It didn't work for me. It was very like fragrancy, like it smells like perfume, and then it dried my hair out. So I don't mind putting it on the fake hair. Hopefully it'll do something to the fake hair that it ain't do to mine. I mean, if it doesn't do anything, at least I'll smell good. Because I mean, obviously it's not gonna like soak in, but I think just having something on it will make it look better. I think that looks better. Okay, so I got my braid. Now I can take this piece that I put to the side and I can wrap around the base. So here's the braid. I think it's cute. It's not too much. For the front pieces, I'm gonna also use this Wash and Go styler. I'm trying to tell y'all, it's like one of my new favorite products. And then redefine these front pieces so they look nice and juicy. All right, now to secure everything in place, I like to press these down with my scarf so it looks more flat to my head. And then use the scarf to also hold these down in place. So boom. And I'm gonna let this set for a little bit, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final result. Okay guys, so I'm here for the takedown. Kind of hot because I was just outside putting stuff in the car. But here we go. How do y'all like it? I think it's really cute. It's different for me, but I like it. And I like the curls because I'm all about my curls. So even though they fake curls, I bought them, so. But yes, if you guys like this video, definitely leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.